Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 27th of June. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday. The major event for the session what came from New Zealand, where we saw the official cash rate remain at 1.5%, and that came out with the RBNZ statement. RBNZ held its rates, as I've already mentioned, at 1.5, but importantly, they did not follow our RBA's stance of last month in dropping rates. They did, however, talk of a cut and have kept the door open for August. Investors had been largely expecting a stronger dovish tone in the report, and initially at the release, the Kiwi dollar did dive down around about 60 odd pips. That did not last long, and it did end up recovering and posting around about a 50 odd pip positive for the session. That was on the Kiwi US dollar. Alright, so that's all that's happened from there. We also saw from the US the core durable goods number come in at 0.3%. That was slightly better than the forecast, as the US dollar still continues to slide, and that's not so much from this data but still from the ongoing tensions that are happening in the US. Alright, time now to look at our chart of the day. Yesterday's Aussie US dollar continued to go in the up direction, and hence it has not played out for us, so it did not set up. Not to worry, let's see, look for the next chart. What I have found this morning is still Aussie related. It's a GBP AUD. You can see from this chart that we have a level where the market has come to this support line once, twice, and we are there now for a third time. I have two options for you. If you want to trade off a daily chart, well then this little candle that I'm pointing at right now is this morning's candle. It's only an hour old, so you would need to wait for that for that candle to complete and see if we do get a price action reversal, and then you could take your trade tomorrow. However, if you want something now, what I have done is I've dropped down one time division into a 4-hour chart. Let me show you that. In the 4-hour chart, we already have 1, 2, 3 sets of inside candles, and we are on the fourth one over here. So again, this candle that I'm pointing at right now is 1 hour old. There's about 3 hours to go to complete this one. So if we should break the high of this red one that I'm pointing at, well then that's it, we're in the trade. If we break the low of that red one there, we are not in the trade and we have to cancel our pending order. So GBP AUD is our chart of the day. If you're going to go for a daily option, you need to wait till tomorrow. If you're going to go for a 4-hour option, you can place your pending order right now. Let's see if we get triggered, and let's see how this one plays out for us. Alright, what is happening in the session which is about to kick off? We have at 11 o'clock this morning from New Zealand the ANZ business confidence numbers are due out, and then at 10:30 tonight from the US we have the final GDP numbers which are due out also. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.